We are so back. What's going on, guys? We're back. We got another flip on the channel. And guess what we have? We got a 2008 Toyota Corolla LE. And guess what, guys? This car, it's a pretty simple one. We're gonna try to knock it out this week. I know we haven't been active lately. It's because I've been very busy trying to knock all these cars out. I'm trying to pump them out as fast as I can. And unfortunately, I have not been able to record them. But today we have this one. I think it's a pretty simple one, pretty fast one. And I think it should be overall, it should be a fun video for me to make. And I think it would be a fun video for you guys to watch. It's very simple. There's not a lot that I have to do. Let me show you what the damage is. And yeah, guys, we're back. We got another one. Let's knock this bad boy out. Get this money like we always do. Let's go. And let's show you guys the damage what we have. So this is the only part that I'm going to paint. It has a hole right there. And I do not know where the hole came from. So I'm going to fix it. I'm going to patch it, paint it, and fix it because it just looks ugly. And yeah, but let me show you the interior. Oh, and we're also going to do a window regulator and get the interior absolutely detailed. But I am not going to do this one myself. This one I do not want to do. I'm going to have my detail guys clean this one because it is kind of filthy. But the beautiful thing about this car, guys, is that it has extremely low miles. The back seats are actually not that bad, as you guys can see. They're actually not that bad, but the front seats, there's some staining on the covers over there. And yeah, overall, I think it's kind of dirty, and I don't want to do this for myself. But check it out. Car looks very, like the paint, everything. I feel like it's very clean. With the polish, it'll look very good. I mean, there's some. Oh man, didn't even notice this when I first bought it. Well, that's gonna be a problem. But I think I might just touch that up. Or maybe I might paint it because I mean the fender's right there, so maybe I can do just like a blend. Okay, we might fix this. I don't know yet, or I might just do a touch up right there and try to knock it up from the inside. But man, that looks pretty ugly, so we might fix that. But overall. Oh, like I was saying earlier, the car has very low mileage. It has, I think, 124 on the dash right now. And the whole paint is actually pretty well taken care of, guys. I mean, this is another imperfection that I saw. This one I did see. But, I mean, guys, I feel like for a cheaper car, I mean, you really can't ask a lot. But I think there's another imperfection right here, a little bit of the clear coat peeling. But, I mean, hey, that's going to have to go like that. I'm not going to paint this whole car. I just want it to look a lot better. And mechanically, it does need some things here and there, but not crazy. We're going to do the, and we're going to restore these headlights as well. These are my favorites to do. We're going to re-clear them, and they're going to look brand new. This one, look at this one. Ugh, looks awful. But like I was saying, the mechanical aspect of this car is actually very good. We're just going to do some minor things. I'm going to maybe do the transmission, oil changes. I mean the oil change and the filters. So yeah. But anyways, guys, I give you a tour. Let's get working. Let's get to work. We don't got all day. Let's fix that, and I think I might fix that as well because that looks very ugly. So you know what? Let's go. Let's get it. So I pull up the window regulator and I figure it out why it doesn't work. It doesn't roll up. Right here, it's bent, and it's got me wondering why is bent, and also it's got me wondering like, would it work if I were to put it back like that? Nah, I don't think it would. Or maybe. What do you guys think? You guys think I should put it back in there, see if it works? You know what? I'm gonna try to put it back in there. Yeah, cause it was messed up right here. You know what? I'm gonna try to put it back and see how the window rolls. And if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna get a new one because I was able to roll it up and down and everything was fine. So, but it was just wasn't rolling up all the way because that was just bent. But I'm gonna try to straighten it out. And guys, so we put everything back together. The actuator or the regulator actually works. Check it out. I was able to bend it back, and it works perfect. Cha-ching! We got it. So now I'm actually working on this, and I'm working on the fender as well. While I already did the I put fiberglass in it as a first layer, and then now I put some Bondo, putty, whatever you want to call it, but this is the last one. After this, I should be able to sand it, primer it, and then do like a little spot, like a spot paint right here. Like, I'm not gonna paint the whole fender, I'm gonna just do like a little spot right there. I'll do like a little blend, but yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys, we got the first coat. We're gonna hit it with the second one. We already dried it with the heat gun, so we're gonna do it. We're gonna do 3 coats. We're gonna do one more, another one, call it a day. One more, should be good to go. Guys, so I have the car masked, prepped, ready to go. I didn't show, I think, how I did the body work, but it was simple. I didn't think it should be on video, so I was able to do it pretty fast. Check it out. We got the car masked, and I am also going to re-clear this as well. But I am going to rip this off later after I do the paint. That way so I can shoot the clear on the fender and the headlights as well. So this is how it looks. Let's get it painted. All right, guys, we're ready to spray this. We already tacked it down. We already cleaned the fender. It's time to go. We're gonna dry it a little bit. All right, remember, safety first. Wear a mask when you paint these things. That was the first coat. We're gonna dry and give it another one real fast. It is time to shoot the clear. And remember, always wear a mask. This is how the headlights came out as well. Yeah, look at that. Almost brand new, guys. Let's go. First coat, we're gonna let it dry and do another one. 2 coats, call it a day. One more, call it a day. And yeah, we're gonna try to lay this one down like glass and be done with it. So let's go. We're good, guys. Calling it right there. Good to go. All right, guys. This is how it came out. The fender turned out pretty good. I like to think. Not bad. The headlights. These are what I think came out even better. Oh my goodness. Every time. Look at the other one. Man, every freaking time. Let's go. Just like that, guys, we're done. All I gotta do now, it's take it to my detailers and replace the air filter and cabin filter. I'm gonna check them to see if they're good. But other than that, I already did all the mechanical. I already did the front brakes on it. And guys, it's good. It's ready to go. Yeah, I just gotta take it to the detailers now, and it's ready.